My God, look at the hail. What? Coco, what are you doing going out in the hail? Wow. This is crazy weather. Oh my God. Look at that hailstorm. Can you believe that, Coco? I never seen this before. Little hail drops. Look at the cars. They look like they just got snowed on. Wow. Oh, wow. I gotta get a battery that works. Wow. Look at this still. You can see the hail coming down. It's still hailing. What? Look at that. It's like snowing in Santa Monica. You see that? That's first ever snowing in Santa Monica. Little hailstones. And they're not tiny either. Wow. Oh, look at the rainbow. And there's a rainbow. How beautiful is that? Wow, there's a giant rainbow. Right out my front door. Look at all the hailstones. Maybe I can make a snowman. Let me see. Look at this hail. There's the hail. Make a little snowman. There's ice. Okay, let me get the little hail to make a snowman here. Not much of a snowman. There's the rainbow. Look at those clouds. You see the rainbow? Look up there in the sky. I know, that was pretty powerful storm there. Yeah. Over there is a blue sky. You can still see the hail on the ground. There's the rainbow. my little snowman on the fence. That's as good as I can do. Still a lot of hail down here. There we go. What about that snowman? It's a little bit better. Kind of cute. Let me get his nose in there. There we go, there's Olaf. Okay, there's Olaf in Santa Monica. Played with the hailstorm. Here's my little snowman I built after the hailstorm with goo eyes. Look how cute. Still a lot of hail down here.